To create an import for the first time, you go to Tools, Imports. From here you can see there are some imports already in the list, but what you want to do is create an import for the Excel spreadsheet you have just created. So go to Add, choose the report of a standard market share data, describe what this import is going to be used for. So in this case I'm choosing mouthwash data because I've already got an import for infant formula, so to add another one I'll end up with an infant formula, a mouthwash one, there may be a cough cold one, and however many imports I need. Then I need to find the file that I'm going to import, so I click on load and it will ask me to find the file. In this case it's this top file here. Click on the file, click on open, and it goes ahead and loads the data. Because this file contains more than one worksheet, I need to choose the worksheet I'm going to import first. So I'm going to choose April 2012 and click on OK. I now need to say what sort of spreadsheet it is, and in this case it's a comma delimited. In terms of ignoring the rows, open up the spreadsheet and see, alright, that first row contains no data, the second row contains no data I need, so the data is going to start on the third row. So in this case I'm going to ignore the first two rows, and from here I can go ahead and start mapping the fields. Oops, it's gone to 3, so I want to go back one. And so from here I start mapping the fields. So click on the plus key. And after clicking on the plus key I can see that the first thing that's open is it's asking me what is the brick level. So if I click on that, I need to find the forest that contains the brick level data. So by clicking on that, it's going to be in the analysis forest and it's going to be the brick level. Then I need to map which field contains the brick. Now field 2 is the brick ID and field 3 is the brick. Then which product group forest are we looking at to grab this data from? And it is in the market share, and it is the mouthwash category that we're looking at. If there is a total sales amount that's going to be imported, map which field that is. In this case there is no total sales amount, and if there was a total rank, add that as well. So once we've done that, we're now ready to add a group to import the data. So from here we click on the market share group, and again it's saying, okay, what group of products is this data for? So in this case we're going to choose our own product. So we're going to map the mouthwash data for our brand, and then it's saying, okay, well, which of these columns contains the sales amount? And so the sales amount in this case, we'll look at the Excel spreadsheet. So the sales amount for Parenzo is going to be that column I, which is the mouthwash Parenzo brand. So that is the sales amount for Hurstville. And so in that case, sales amount for Hurstville on the third row is the 144. I'm sorry. It is the 22399, which is going to be that field 2327. 2239, field 10. So the sales amount is field 10. The ranking, if you have a ranking, you've got it. We don't in our spreadsheet have a ranking in there. You see the ranking column is blank. The brick share is the field beside that, so that's field 11. The territory share, if the territory share exists, and in this case we have a territory share. So there's a territory share, a state share, and a national share. So the territory share is going to be 12.65, which is field 6. And the state share is the column beside it, which is field 7. And the national share is the column beside that, which is field 8. So at that point we'll end the video and then open up a new video for the next section.